Welcome students. Today we will start next practice set, that is 23. Okay. Here you have to find out the three rational numbers that lie between two given numbers. Okay. Then just mark this point. There are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Innumerable means we can't count the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay. So here one question is there. Write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. If the question is asked if all natural numbers between 2 and 9, then you will say that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means here you can give the answer. There are 6 natural numbers between the number between 2 and 9. Then your answer will be there are 6 natural numbers. Okay. Now in the next one, that is write all the integers between 4 minus 4 and 5. Okay. Then here see here it is written in the first one, the natural numbers between 2 and 9 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 6 natural numbers between 2 and 9. Okay. Now for the second one, the integers between minus 4 and 5 are. Then this is a number line. Okay. And in between there is 0. Okay. And here negative number and right side positive numbers. Then we have to find the integers between minus 4 and 5. Okay. Then here are the integers, that is between minus 4 and 5, that is 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means here also you can give the answer, that is these are the integers between the two integers, that is minus 4 and 5. But now see the next question. Which are the rational numbers are there between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4? Then for rational numbers, here there are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay. Means here as we give the answer, that is 6. Here also it is a number is fixed. But in rational numbers there are innumerable rational numbers. Okay. Then here is the point is given. There are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational number. Okay. Now I hope this point is clear to you. Now based upon this we have to solve the exercise. Now here see the first question, that is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Clear? The first one, two upon 7 and 6 upon 7. In this you have to find the rational number between these two. As it is given here that they are like fractions, means denominator are equal. Okay. And between 2 and 6 there are number, that is 2. As you know, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, and 4 is less than 5, and 5 is less than 6. Okay. That means 2 upon 7, that is 2 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 7 is less than 4 upon 7, and 5 upon 7 less than 5 upon 7, and 6 upon 7. Okay. Then here you have to write the 3 rational number. Okay. Then here 3 rational numbers between 2 rational numbers are 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, and 5 upon 7. Okay. Then here we will write the answer, that is your answer is 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 lie between between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Okay. Now in the next question, just observe this. Here they are unlike fractions. Here denominators are equal. Then first we have to make it like fractions. Okay. Then here 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Okay. Now see here. As I told you, there are innumerable rational numbers. But here we have written 3. Okay. Only 3. Then you can you will say that there are 3 rational numbers, but it's not true. Okay, as we will increase the denominator, then numerator will also increase. Okay, equivalent fractions, then there are innumerable rational numbers. Okay, now here the next one is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now here first we will make the in like fractions. Then for this we will multiply it by 3 and this by 5. That is 4 upon 5 multiply by 3. Then same number we will multiply here. And for this, that is 2 upon 3. Okay. Then here the answer will be 4 3s are 12 upon 15. And here 2 5s are 10 upon 15. Okay. Then the answer is 12 upon 5 and 12 upon 15 and 10 upon 15. See, if we say here between 10 and 12 upon 15, there are one here, that is 11 upon 15 is there. Okay, but if we increase the denominator, means here if we multiply it by 2, then your numerator will also increase. That is, it will become 24 upon 30 and it will become 20 upon 30. Now as you can see, here the numbers are increasing. Okay, and here suppose if we multiply it by again 2 or 5. Okay, then it will become, if we multiply it by 2, then what will come? That is 48 upon 60 and here 40 upon 60. See here, it is increasing. Okay, means it is equivalent fraction. Means as you increase the denominator, your numerator will also increase and you can easily find the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, now see here, this will you have no need to it, you have to do. Now here see here, as you can write here between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. If we take here 15 and 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, we will get here 11 upon 15. Okay, and if we take, that is for 24 upon 30 and 20 upon 30, we will get 3. We can easily write, that is 21 upon 30, 22 and 23 upon 30. And in between here 48 and 40, we know 48, we will write it like this, that is 46 upon 60 and 48 upon 60. Then in between there is 40 is less than 41, is less than 42, is less than 43, less than 44, less than 45, less than 46, 47 and 48. Okay, means here the numbers between this is 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, like that. Okay, then you can write any 3. Okay, this is an open-ended question. You can write any numbers. Then here I will select, that is 41 upon 60, 44 upon 60 and 45 upon 60. Okay, are the rational numbers between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Our question is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3, right? This we have converted as a equivalent fractions. Okay, then as you increase the denominator, your rational number between these two will increase. Clear? Then here between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. You can write any one. Now somewhere you have seen the different methods. Okay, don't worry, you follow that method also. Okay, but you follow any method, but logically it will be correct. Okay, you can follow this method also, or if you want to follow any other method, you can follow that method also, but only one thing is your question solution will be correct. Okay, now see the third one. Here one is minus and other is plus. Okay, then here minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Then again we will convert into like fractions, that is minus 2 upon 3 we will multiply it by 5, so that we will get minus 10 upon 50, and 4 upon 5 we will multiply it by 3, then we will get here 12 upon 15. We have to write three rational numbers. Okay, then minus and 12, minus 10, then minus 10, and here minus 9, minus 10 is less than minus 9 is less than minus 8. Okay, like that we will write here, that will come 0, and after that here what is that, 10. Okay, no need to write the full one. Okay, and here after that 11 and 12. Then you can select any one, that is here I can write minus 9 upon, only you have to write the denominator equal, that is minus 9 upon 15, 0. Okay, 0, or take 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15 are the rational numbers between, are the three rational numbers between minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Okay, now similarly you have to find the other questions. Now here see here minus 3 and minus 5. See the fourth one. Okay, see the first one, see the fourth one, that is 7 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9. Then between minus 7 and here first we will arrange it, minus 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. Then here minus 5. Okay, in a number line minus 5 is less than minus 4, less than minus 3, and so on. Here 0 will also come, then 1, 2. Okay, and here then 7. Okay, then here similarly we will select any one, that is minus 4 upon 9, minus 3 upon 9 and minus 2 upon 9 are the three rational numbers between 7 upon 9 and minus 7 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the remaining sums. Here the denominators are equal, then you can write directly in, and suppose the denominators are not equal, then make it equal, means like fractions, and after that find the rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Okay, with this practice set is over.